I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am right now. I know I don't seem that excited because I'm like a little sick or whatever. But anyways, I got a huge sneaker haul in today from Sneaker Tub. This is a surprise. I didn't realize that it was going to come in today, but I'm super happy. This is the box, and we're going to get through this. Oh no, this is Threadbeast. This is not Sneaker Tub. I'm so confused right now. So I know I stay in constant communication with Threadbeast, and you know they were sending me like a lot of T-shirts and like shorts and stuff like that, and I'm like, dude, I live in Georgia. I don't live in SoCal anymore, so I need like some like winter clothes. So I want to see if they listen to me, and so you're going to be my witness to see if they started listening to me and giving me some like, you know, winter-ish type clothes. Is a t-shirt. I'm not mad at that. I like this. This is nice. Tag. This is clean. Oh man, that's clean. Look at that. Was it a tiger? Or I don't know what that is, but that's clean. Yo, this is clean. This would go well with my fit right now. This feels like a long sleeve. I'm just gonna say right now. Yep. And Chevelle. I don't know what Chevelle. Ooh. Oh, this is clean. Yeah. This is something. You see? You know what? I actually can use this. I have a skit that I want to do, and yeah, I'm gonna use this. But like, come on, man. You can't wear that in the winter. Clean. Wow. Oh yeah. That's dope. It's like this is pretty much like a polo, but it like kind of has like that button down like energy type feel or whatever, because it's even, oh yes, what, dude, look at that. Yo, I know my mom is gonna like this one. This is sick. Yo, and it's diamond, man. So this is hype. This is a hype one right here, yo. Threadbeast, like y'all threw me for a loop right now, fam. That's dope. Oh yes, I'm always about some distressed jeans. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Dang. It's like, you know, like I'd be like, oh man, you know, I gotta stop this month because it's a lot of money, but I look at my closet's empty and I need clothes, and all of these are so dope. Like everything in here, not everything. There's some things that I'm not crazy about, but a majority of stuff in here is a banger. They hook it up with 2 pairs of jeans. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? What? Yo, these dudes ain't playing. Look at these. Like, oh my goodness. Staple. That kind of sounds familiar, but I'm not too sure. Dang. Yo. It's like they just hooked your boy up. Okay, so we have here, okay, Champion socks. I'm not mad at that, because Champion, that's a really good company. Like, I had a jacket. It's like in LA, and that's my favorite jacket, Champion. You know, more clothes. What? it's like they just threw a bunch of, look at this. That is, yo, I'm just like, enamored? Is that a good word? All right, this feels like a long sleeve. This feels like a long sleeve. Yep. Oh my god. Dead. Yo. The back is so dope. Look at that. Walk this way. Walk this way. Are you kidding me? Yo, they straight up hooked your boy up. I'm just super happy right now. Thumbnail. So we're gonna check out what we got up in here. So I called them up and I told them, like, enough with the Adidas. I'm a Nike guy. Just throw Nikes my way. You know, Adidas is cool, but Nike is bae, and Jordan is like right on top of that. Whatever. Call me a hype beast. I don't care. But ooh, these look like running shoes. These are the Nike Joyrides CC. I have never heard of these, but these are really nice looking shoes. Ooh, there's like a dip in here. Look at these. Man, these are, yo, I can really mess with these right here. These, and then you put them with these pants right here. Forget about it, man. You girls out there, I feel sorry for y'all. Y'all will be dropping just like, I mean, come on, you know? Because I'm a sweats guy. I rock sweats. So they didn't really do winter clothes, but I'm not like mad at this package. I'm actually pretty satisfied. I'm gonna give this like an 8 out of 10. Mainly because like, I mean, like, I like all the clothes in here, but I need winter clothes in these other than the long sleeve winter. So yeah, good haul. I wish they put some stand socks in here, but they put the champs, so I'm not mad at that. You know, it's all good. But yeah, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to get your own Threadbeast, there's going to be a link down in the description below, and also I'm selling merch. Check out that link in the description as well. If you want to start your own YouTube channel, download this plugin called TubeBuddy. It is a tool that will help you grow and build your YouTube channel. The link in the description down below. It's free. There's also a paid version if you want to get access to more of the tools. And that is it for now. Follow all my social. Everything will be down in the description below. You guys have a good day. Deuces.